Kim from Tall Mouse Creative Arts, and let's talk about flaps because I'm tired of cutting and measuring or measuring and cutting and then folding with the score line and all that. So we came out with a couple of different flap sizes. One would be the 3" by 4", which it is a 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, just to give you a little bit of room. It will hold a 3 by 4 photo. So this is all that is. You've got a score line right here, and the pink is your layering piece. Just remember, when you are folding it on a score line, I always like to go soft before I do the hard crease line with a bone folder to secure that. And then use your tape runner, and you are good to go on your 3 by 4 flaps. Now, how those work is you want to glue this part down to wherever you are trying to make a flap so that it flaps up. And if you want to do a continual waterfall, you would just bump the next one up to here, up to that line, and continue on with this how far down you would like to build your waterfall flaps. But now you can make them quite easily. So we've got two different sizes. We've got the 3 by 4, which comes in a pack like this, a horizontal top front fold or the side fold. So vertical or horizontal. And then we've got the single ones, the 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, which will hold a 4 by 6 photo. So this one would be our side. The vertical flap is what I call it. Your flap is on that side. Same thing. You just want to crease it right there and then lay it down wherever you're going to lay it so you can have your photographs flip over there. And then it comes with a layering piece. That would be a vertical 4 by 6, and then I just call this the horizontal one because it's going to fold along the top right there. So it just depends on how you like to do your flaps, but they are made easy now with metal dies. There you go.